explosion about the growth of population in India. It is predicted by the United Nations that Indian population would exceed the population of China during next census. If we compare India with China, then India got independence during 1947 but China during 1949. China became the second largest economy in the world, having $19.9 trillion of economy, but whereas India is struggling to achieve $4 trillion at present. Now China is competing with the developed countries of the world like USA and Japan, etc. But India is lagging behind. Why? Let the conscious and intellectual of the India would analyze and lacuna and find out the solution. In my view, uncontrolled growth of population is the sole reason, and due to it, unemployment is growing up, and it is inevitable that there would be scarcity of food, water at future, and we are importing and consuming more crude oil because we are having inadequate quantity of such natural resource. There will be accommodation problem, deforestation is going on and causing global warming. If we would not control it, then more catastrophe will happen at near future. World is having 800 crores of population. How long the Mother Earth will tolerate the exploitation of the natural resources by the human being? Right now, it is need of the hour to follow the footsteps of China, how she has controlled the growth of population by adopting one child policy. Of course, now it has been changed to two children policies. Now certain restriction is to be imposed in India. Henceforth, those who are having more than two children, they should be debarred for contesting in any election. For service holder, promotion should be held up. Reservation facilities would be provided for maximum two children of the said category families. Government benefits, subsidy facilities will not be given to them, those who are having more than two children. It is a need of the hour to take stringent action for controlling the growth of population in India. It is my opinion.